G'day guys, it's Nathan from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today we're doing a jockey wheel bearing changeover, which consists of knocking the little roller pin out of your jockey wheel handle, pulling the shaft off of the jockey wheel itself, and then inspecting the bearing. Now if you come a little closer and you have a look, you can actually see that these start to rust out on the inside, which makes them quite tight and hard to operate. So if you can see that you're trying to get your jockey wheel up and it's really not just working for you, it's quite tight or it's jolting a lot, it could definitely be the jockey wheel bearing that's the issue. This is what they're meant to look like here, nice and shiny and free spinning like so. So we replace the jockey wheel bearing by sliding it on, making sure that it spins well, and then we just get a little bit of grease and apply it to the shaft, making it more lubricated and easier to operate. A little bit of grease around the jockey wheel bearing itself. Slide the shaft back down onto the jockey wheel. Attach the handle. And now all I have to do is knock that rolling pin back through there and job's done. Thank you.